Welcome to Hajjady math class. Today we'll be having this question on fraction. Looking at this question, you will see that looks somehow cumbersome. Here we have 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 minus 1 over 4. It looks a little bit cumbersome, but in solving this question, you will start from the minimum value. So starting from the minimum value here, from the denominator, here we have 1 over 1. So we solve this first. So in solving this, our aim is to solve this first, and in solving this, we'll find the LCM. And the rule says that when you have two fractions separated by plus or minus, the first thing you do is to find the what? The LCM. So the same thing will be done here. So finding the LCM of 1 and 4 is going to give you what? 4. So in solving this, we have 1 in 4 gives 4 times 1 gives 4. Minus 4 in 4 is 1 times 1 gives what? 1. So now, in this, we have that our 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So don't forget that we still have 1 here. So in this case now, our new equation will become 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 over 4. Please don't mind my handwriting. So now in this case we have this. So don't forget that we need to solve this. So in solving this, so the equation will be of the form 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 divided by 3 over 4. So in this case, it's better you put this in a bracket so that you solve what is inside the bracket first. Okay? So now in solving what's inside the bracket, it's like you are finding the reciprocal of this. And by finding the reciprocal of this, in mathematics, okay, the equation becomes 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 times, there's a general rule in mathematics that when division sign wants to turn to multiplication, the reciprocal of this will be used. And how do we determine the reciprocal? The denominator will come up, while the numerator will come down. So you interchange the position of these two. So the same thing will be done here. We have what? 4 over 3. Okay? Don't forget, this must be in a bracket. So now here, our next line, we are multiplying 1 by this. Okay? So here we have 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 times 4 here gives what? 4. So here we have 4 over 3. Okay? And the next thing to do, like I told you from the beginning of this class, is that when you have two fractions separated by plus and minus, either plus or minus, the first thing you do is to find the what? LCM. And the LCM of this is going to be what? 3. So here, sorry, please. Okay? The LCM of this is going to be what? 3. So now, 1 in 3 is 3, multiplied by 1 gives what? 3. Also, 3 in 3 is 1, multiplied by 4 gives what? 4. Now, we have 1 minus 1 divided by 7 over 3. Okay? So, the reciprocal of this, whenever you have 1 over anything, means you are finding the reciprocal. Here, when we have 1 divided by 3 over 4 here, it turns to what? 4 over 3, which is this. So the same thing will be applicable here. So in this case now we have 1 minus reciprocal will now be what? 3. We have 3 over 7. So that means the reciprocal of this 1 over any fraction we give reciprocal from gives 3 over 7. That means 3 will go up, 7 will come down. So now in doing this, we find the LCM also, like the same rule we've been using. So we have this, and in this case, 1 in 7, 7 multiplied by 1 gives what? 7, minus 7 in 7 is 1, multiplied by 3 gives what? 3. And finally, our answer is we have 7 minus 3. So our final answer is going to be what? 4 all over 7. So in a nutshell, the first thing I did here is to find the LCM. When I got 4 and I solved using LCM, I got 3 over 4. So this one is here, and here gives 3 over 4. So finding the reciprocal of this, here we have 1 divided by 3 over 4, and the division sign changed to 4 over 3. I told you this will come up, this will go down. We have this, and 1 multiplied by 4 over 3 gives 4 over 3 here. So solving this, since it is separated by plus or minus, we got 3 plus 4, which is 7 over 3. This one is this, and this is the fraction, this is the division sign, and here we have 7 over 3, which is this. So instead of repeating the step twice, we all knew that this is like finding reciprocal, where 3 goes up, 7 comes down, and we have this. Solving this by finding the LCM, we arrive at 4 over 7, which is our final answer. This is quite easily done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much.